Turkey isn't just the bridge between continents. It's the bridge between tradition and innovation. And now it's building cars that can compete with the best. For years, Turkey was known for making everything from textiles to but when it came to cars, the world didn't take notice. Until now, Turkey's car industry is on fire, driven by passion, resilience, and a unique blend of East meets West. From electric dreams to rugged city cars, here's the story of Turkey's automotive revolution. 1. TOGG, Turkey's first homegrown electric car. The future isn't built by the usual suspects. Meet TOGG, Turkey's first ever indigenous electric car. Unveiled in 2022. This vehicle is more than just a car. It's a national statement. Designed and built from the ground up, TOGG's sleek design combines Turkish craftsmanship with from autonomous driving capabilities to a 5G connected infotainment system. This car isn't just aiming for Turkish streets. It's gunning for global markets. TOGG isn't just a car brand. It's a new chapter for Turkey's automotive ambitions. 2. Anadolu Isuzu. The commercial giants, while TOGG grabs headlines, Anadolu Isuzu is quietly dominating commercial vehicles. You've probably seen their buses and trucks on the road. From the rugged Anadolu Isuzu Cityport buses to heavy-duty trucks powering Turkey's logistics sector. Isuzu has partnered with Anadolu Group for years, and their vehicles are built for durability in some of the harshest conditions. They're workhorses, not showpieces, and that's exactly what Turkey needs. Anadolu Isuzu is the backbone of Turkey's public transport and freight solutions. 3. Tofaz, a legacy of Turkish engineering. Now let's go back a few decades. Tofaz was established in the 1960s as a joint venture with Fiat. The brand's Fiat-based models, like the Kahin, became household staples in Turkey. The Tofaz Ziggia has continued the legacy, now serving as Turkey's best-selling car, combining affordability with practical design. Tofaz has since partnered with Fiat Chrysler and shifted toward more modern models, including electric options in the near future. It's not just a car. It's a piece of Turkey's automotive identity. 4. Otokar. The military and public transport powerhouse Otokar isn't a household name in passenger cars, but it's massive in the commercial and military vehicle sectors. Otokar's vehicles, like the Kirpi and Cobra armored vehicles, are used by the Turkish military and exported globally. The Seza truck, it's one of the strongest military transport trucks in the world. This brand is the epitome of function over form, focusing on toughness, reliability, and engineering for extreme conditions. While not glamorous, Otokar's contributions are critical in shaping Turkey's military and industrial landscape. 5. Karsan, the urban innovator. While big names like TOGGR going electric, Karsan has been at the forefront of electric public transport for a while now. With models like the Karsan Jest Electric and Karsan Attack Electric, they've taken electric buses and vans into European cities, delivering clean, efficient, and sustainable transport. Karsan's driverless buses are already testing in some of Europe's most forward-thinking cities. Karsan isn't just building for Turkey, it's building for a cleaner, smarter Europe. Turkey isn't just trying to catch up, it's leapfrogging. From classic industrial giants like Tofaz and Isuzu to new wave innovators like TOGG and Kaz, Turkey is fast becoming a key player in the global automotive landscape. They're building electric, smart, and durable vehicles that can survive the streets of Istanbul or the sands of the South. And as global brands set their eyes on Turkey's growing market, the world is realizing something. Turkey is serious about cars. Turkey isn't just catching up with global car trends. It's leading in its own way. By blending its rich heritage with cutting-edge technology, Turkey's car industry is driving into the future fast. What do you think? Is TOGG the future of Turkish cars? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you're excited about electric innovation from unexpected places. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive deep dives from around the world.